Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the latest feature from solflare mobile wallet and causing a buzz on crypto Twitter, the limit order. Stick around as I explain what it's all about and show you how to leverage this tool to enhance your trading strategy. Now let's talk about the swap feature. Unlike centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges make use of non-custodial wallet, like solflare, which allow you to trade directly from your wallet. Solflare integration with Jupiter aggregator ensures you get the best prices and most liquid sources for your trades. Now, I'll give you a guide on how to use swap. First, go to solflare wallet. I've already funded my wallet with about 1 SOL. You can click on the receive tab in order to fund your wallet. Step 2. Next, you want to click on the center tab. 3. On the token sell side, you can click on various tokens present in the wallet, but since the wallet has just SOL in it, that's why it is the only one visible. Step 4. On the buy token end, you can search for token you wish to buy or simply input the contact address of the token. I'm gonna use Jupiter. Input the amount you desire to swap from SOL to Jup. Step 5. Note this. It is important to configure your slippage settings before you swap, as this would help prevent potential token losses. The slippage tolerance is simply the maximum difference between your estimated price and what you get at the end of the swap. And although the default slippage tolerance is set to 0.5%, I like to set mine to 0.3% for boring pairs like SOL and or Jup, and between 1 to 3% for digging trades depending on how volatile the pair is. Step 6. Click on swap and you're all done. Now let's move on to the star of today's show, the limit order. With limit orders, you can set a price target for buying or selling tokens, ensuring you capitalize on market movement, even when you are not actively trading. One important thing to note is that for the limit order to execute, there needs to be buy liquidity at the price you've set, and so the order can get partially filled at the price until there is enough buy liquidity to complete the order. Also, as the order gets completed, it will get sent automatically to your wallet. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Remember to set your order expiry and understand how it executes based on available liquidity. Step 1. Go to solflare wallet and tap the center tab. Step 2. Switch from the swap tab to the limit tab. Step 3. Select the token you want to sell from the drop-down list. I'm gonna use Jup because I'm bullish on Jupiter. Step 4. Select the token you want to buy from the drop-down. You could also search for them using the token contract address. I'm gonna use a stable pair like USDC. Step 5. Set the market price you wish to trade at. One great feature of solflare has is that it doesn't let you set a price below the market price, which prevents users from making automatic losses. I'm gonna set the price at 0.95. Step 6. Set the expiry. I'll keep it at 7 days. There's a variety of options you can choose from, but I'm gonna go with 7 days. Step 7. Click on place order. Step 8. You swipe to approve. Step 9. You can view the order you just placed in the active order tab and all your previously completed orders in the history tab. Also, you can edit the limit order, so in case there is something you would like to change, you can cancel the order at any time by clicking the cancel button. Each feature has its strength. Swaps are great for immediate trades, while limit orders are ideal for setting precise buy or sell targets. When trying to get out of a trade, it is best to use the swap, as it will tend to complete the trade in one go, whereas the limit order will need there to be buy liquidity at the price you set. You can use the limit order as a take profit. Another advantage of a limit order over the swap would be slippage. In swaps, you could expose your swaps to MEV-bot or sandwich attacks depending on how high your slippage tolerance is set, which can mean you could get significantly lower amounts of tokens than you were quoted. Whereas, using the limit order, you will get exactly what you were quoted. Using the right tool for the right job can significantly impact your trading outcomes. In conclusion, whether you are using swaps or limit orders, solflare Wallet offers powerful tools to enhance your trading strategy.